Hello, welcome to my day in the life at CMU. I don't have that aesthetic of a room to film the brushing teeth, getting out of bed montage, but we will just start here. So I need to get ready for the day, and my schedule for the day is I have an interview at 10:30. I need to go edit my personal statement with the writing center at 1 to 2 on campus. I'm going on a campus tour led by Matthew, and then I have a meeting at 6 to 7, another short chat interview thing at 9, and that should be it. I'm hoping to make this video more realistic, realistically representing CMU as well as the day in life, where we just have a bunch of meetings all day and the students can be in different places depending on how busy of a schedule they have, so their mental state usually follows that. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now and see you soon. So one of the first things I do is check the weather, because Pittsburgh's weather is really whack. So today's 73. So this is my little makeup corner. I have some 3C palettes, some other Asian eyeshadow palettes, a bunch of random stuff, brushes. I put my hair curler and iron under this thing. Yeah, so if I want to curl my hair or iron it, I would have to take all this stuff off, put it on the ground, open this, do it, and then take all this stuff, put it back. So it's like higher effort. So I prevent myself from ironing or curling because I have to do that, and I'm too lazy to do that. So it's like a good prevention mechanism. We're going to head out in a bit. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna do my interview first, and then we're gonna head out. What I eat. Okay, now we're going to write to-do list for today. I usually just do it in this notebook and then cross things off. So yeah, so like this. I'm gonna rewrite one for today before starting my day. 9:47, and there are 40-ish minutes before my interview, so I'm going to go out for a quick walk and then come back. Okay, so I am back from my walk, and now it's time to prep for my interview in 15 minutes. I feel like interviews are stressful not because of the actual interview, like they're usually pretty chill. It's just like the time before and after. Ivan's tweet is just like, it's really draining, and I have just so many interviews in the next few weeks, days, and I just want it all to be over, but we're getting there. See, the hair we're gonna make, it looks like false eyelashes, but it's not. So highly recommend. It's very worth, and yeah, it stays on very well too. Currently waiting to join my interview. Sort of nervous, but our last conversation was pretty good, so I think it'll be fine. I haven't interacted with many people today, so this is like a warm-up. Oh my god, it's starting. Okay, it's time to join. Okay, just finished that up, and I have my next meeting at 1, so there's still like 2 hours, and so I'm going to take a quick break and then resume, maybe go to campus and resume doing work. Okay, so now I'm going to head to campus to get some studying done. I have a lot of work to do, and I'll take you along the campus tour afterward. It'll be fun.
Come on Sunday. It's a bright Monday, everybody's going blind, blind, blind. Looking for the weekend, honey, it's a long way drive. Welcome to your Sunday, 'cause it is only Tuesday. Maybe time can fly so high till you and I meet up.
So I'm now heading to the UC to start our campus tour. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hey guys, here in the UC, the University Center at CMU, with Yifei,
Hello.
Hangsung, and Nancy. Extraordinaire, she owns the camera. We're going right now to the College of Fine Arts, to my office. Yeah. So earlier today, they were giving out pumpkins.
What?
As you can see, there is a pumpkin on that man's table. So yeah, you didn't get pumpkins? It's just October.
Just giving out pumpkins?
Yes.
What are you expected to do with them? Just
Nothing. You carve them, paint them. You know, it's standard stuff. What are you gonna do with your pumpkin?
I didn't get one.
Where were they giving them out from? See where that scooter is? Right there.
do you think
I don't think they're there anymore.
Oh, sad.
But there isn't
This
a.
angle.
How long did it take a pumpkin home?
Yeah, I mean. Oh wait, no, just empty box.
Oh, okay.
Those look
Yeah.
like really large boxes. One of the things that I
But as you could see, they are empty. Yeah. There's an event that's happening over there though.
Is it also pumpkin oriented?
No, it's Latino oriented. Let's go there and find out what it's all about.
Together chasing waves. It's the day for you and I. Da-da-da-da-da.
When did that ship explode? In
Titanic?
Cuba.
What?
This was something.
Well, something probably happened in 1999, right?
The war, there was a pretty big war that happened. I don't remember when it happened. The spool goes on this way. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
There we go. So this way. Wait. This way.
Yeah. Wait, this is like, is there focus? Fuck.
There we go.
Oh,
It is flipped.
Okay.
nice.
Lovely.
We need to roll it back there. This one's really
Yeah.
Come on Sunday, I've been waiting up on that, so babe, maybe at 5 or 6 I'll meet you halfway.
There's stairs.
Have you heard of me denying?
Wait, there's an ice floor?
Yeah. You just can't get in it. Would you like to go first with your camera?
Okay. Is there anything here? Is this the thing? The story?
What story? It's cool.
Nice art.
It's a busy subway when the day's looking tight. Hello, working Thursday, honey, it's a long way drive. I walk it all the highways, spreading to these Fridays. Maybe time can fly so high till you and I meet again for a while.
vlog.
I'm now going to my last meeting of the day for club, and then we're done.
Things and you and I could be together in this place, together chasing waves. It's the day for you and I.
I just awoke from my nap and it's currently 8:30. I have one last meeting at 9. It's been very rough. So I just got an email saying that my other 2 final round interviews are also on Monday. So now I have 4 final round interviews on Monday for 2 companies. And it's currently Wednesday and I'm like so stressed. Like, I've never done a portfolio review and I need to make one, and then I need to like practice, and then on top of that I need to apply to so many things. Like, I'm so stressed, but I'm so happy I don't have classes, because like if I'm feeling like this without classes, like I don't know how it would feel during school. Like, I don't know how people do this. But yeah, this is a very stressful day in the life, and I honestly think this is not out of the norm. Like, it's usually pretty stressful even when I don't have classes. So I think it's not too inaccurate, or maybe I just need to plan my time better. But anyhow, yeah, thanks for coming along on my day in the life. So happy if you watch this through, and I will hopefully be making more content on my gap year. Yeah, I will see you, and let me know if you have any questions about CMU.